Hey everybody, it's Mike Meyers and I'm welcoming you to Peripherals and Building a PC. Now, in this course, we're going to be covering all the kinds of peripherals that you have on your PC. So, USB devices and sound cards and keyboards and mice and oh my, all kinds of stuff. Following that, we're going to be talking about how to build a PC and the different types of PCs, from a desktop to a server to a thin client to a graphics workstation, because it's going to be on the A+. So get ready to have a lot of fun. And for those of you following along in my book, this will be chapters 11 and 12.